All right, so we are about to tackle this washroom. So as y'all can see, there's things all over the place. I have some laundry that needs to get done. And then I'm going to organize this closet. This is where we're going to keep all of our shoes. I don't like having shoes tracked through the house. And so when we come in through the garage door, we usually put our shoes in this closet. And so I bought some little wire organizers for shoes from Target, and so I'm gonna see how those work out. That's my first time getting those and trying them. So let's go ahead and get started. Now, for some of you who do not know what this is a Kirby vacuum. My husband and I have had this vacuum for over 12 years and it is still running, y'all. I still think it is the best thing ever invented. Little tip, if you can ever get things that have multi-purpose, definitely do so. It will save you a lot of time and moolah. So these are the little racks that I bought from Target. Let's see if you can see that. So these are meant for shoes. So I'm going to So like I was saying, these little shoe racks I did get from Target. So and I think they were like $7. So we're gonna see what they do, and this should suffice for what we need it for. So let's go ahead and put these babies together.
I've got this feeling, I'm feeling you could be the one. I see no reason why I should ever let you go. I don't wanna wake up if I'm dreaming, because you know I can't get enough of this feeling you're giving me. Don't wanna wake up, no, I don't wanna wake up. I don't wanna wake up without you, baby, without sometimes I forget to breathe. I'm looking in your eyes, wish you could see the things I see. I don't wanna wake up if I'm dreaming, because you know I can't get enough of this feeling you're giving me. Don't wanna wake up, I don't wanna wake up. Don't wanna wake up without you, baby, without I wouldn't know what to, baby, without you. your finger. Tell me what you wanna do. I think we're part of something bigger, and now my mind is filled with you. Oh, you know, oh, you know, oh, you know. Oh, you know, oh, you know, oh, you know. Baby, without I wouldn't know what to. Baby, without you I wouldn't know what to. Oh, you know, oh, you know, oh, you know. Baby, without I wouldn't know what to do. It is raining outside.
Now, y'all already know that this is an actual Saturday morning for me. Me and the family always cook on Saturday mornings. We have this elaborate breakfast, and that is because the weeks are so crazy with homeschooling and everything like that. So we definitely like to make time to cook together and to sit down and make sure that we touch base with each other and just make sure we know what's going on in each other's lives. So yeah, this is by far one of the best days for me. And so definitely create some traditions of your own. But for us, this is what Saturday mornings typically look like. I'm usually just getting the house together and everybody is in the kitchen. Comment below what some of your house traditions are, or family traditions rather, on a typical Saturday morning. I'd be interested to hear what happens in your household.
Cause we both deserve this time. All work, no play, it's like we're running away. We can't stay in our beds all day. Cause we both deserve it all.
So our little one, he just had so much to say, and so we are obliging, and he is just telling us the craziest story about his dream that night. And so we're just listening, and as you can see, he is definitely a free spirit. We actually have two of those in our house, and so, okay, three. So two of my babies and then me. But we definitely treasure these moments because someday he might not want to talk to us. And mamas, you know what I mean.
So fast. That's like me. Daddy,
And what y'all doing over here?
don't mix.
You trying to mix? What you mixing?
Hey.
Another one.
You mixing some eggs?
And Daddy.
And daddy? So you're about to be 5. So now you're gonna start making breakfast?
Yeah. But I'm gonna make my brother a Nana house.
Oh, they did your birthday in Nana house? That was a year ago. Pick him up.
You can actually do it. You can put your legs in it and then
Ooh, like a baby, like a baby, oh, like a baby. You know what? All right, loves, thanks for hanging with me today. Here is a sneak peek of next week's video. I know how much you love closet organization videos. So we are going to organize my son's very small closet. This is definitely some hacks that you don't want to miss. So go ahead and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye, loves.